Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. And guys, Tesla's earnings are out and they're kind of disappointed. And let me explain to you why. We're going to be talking about that today. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys do, smash that like button, subscribe. If you guys want to learn more about investing and trading in the market, check out our school. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. We teach you how to build a strategy, teach you how to find undervalued stocks, the psychology of a trader. So check it out. You guys can get 50% off by using code FIRST50. The first 50 people get 50% off. I'll see you guys in there. Make sure you guys check it out. It's awesome. And don't forget to check out our whole new merch line. I'll put it down below for you guys as well. And let's jump into this here. So as of today, Tesla did announce their earnings report. So this is where the company comes out and they give you all the good, all the bad, maybe what they're working on and improving. And, just like a full transparency for the investors. And here's the thing. They kind of disappointed, but honestly, it's not that big of a surprise. And the reason I say that is because Elon Musk has been in the news for being a political head, right? People know him for the running Doge, which is the Department of Government Efficiency. And some people love him. Some people don't like him. I'm not going to get political on here at all. I just know, one, they have seen an increase of boycotting Teslas. And when you have that, you're going to have revenue miss. And that's kind of what we saw here. So this is on Seeking Alpha on Moomoo. So you guys can see Tesla misses Q1 profit expectations, pulls full year 25 guidance here. So as we scroll down here, so Tesla shares were fractionally lower in after hours trading as the company missed both top and bottom line expectations for the first quarter and pulled full year guidance, but offered assurances that the company remains on track for production of more affordable models and the Cybercab. So right now, in my opinion, I think a lot of investors are just kind of holding out for this Cybercab. I think that's kind of like the light at the end of the tunnel. Like if they can get this done, we could see more improvement. And honestly, I don't think it's that far-fetched because they're already, working on it. Like the earnings said, they're on track for it. Now, I think we all know though that Tesla is known for not being the greatest with timelines, right? And just being upfront. The Cybertruck, the Roadster. So those two things I think a lot of investors were hopeful of. And obviously the Cybertruck just came out last year, took a lot longer than expected. So another thing here is the company earned a profit of just about 27 cents per share. And this was below the estimate of 42 cents per share and was down from 45 cents in the same quarter last year. Total revenue declined 9% to below pretty much estimates at 19.34 billion. The automotive revenue was down 20% to 13.9. Energy generation and storage revenue increased 67%, while services and other revenue were up 15% from a year ago. So that's not that bad, honestly. If you think about it, a lot of the boycotts were because of the automotive. So that's honestly not a huge surprise that that's down the most. The company attributed the decline of profitability to a larger than anticipated decline in vehicle deliveries, increasing the operating expenses, both of which were offset by increased energy generation and storage profits and lower costs associated with Cybertruck production in the first quarter. Gross margin narrowed 104 points to 16.3%. But was better than estimates. So that's pretty good, beating expectations here on the gross margin. So let's kind of talk about this right here. The company statement: uncertainty in the automotive and energy market continues to increase as rapidly evolving trade policies, because of the tariffs. So we could see an impact on that. The global supply chain and cost structure of Tesla and our peers, which could have a meaningful impact on demand for our products in the near term. So we'll definitely, I think a lot of companies are nervous of the tariffs, but I do think Tesla makes majority of their money right here in the United States. So, that's kind of important as well. And what's even crazy is, investors are just kind of hopeful right now because of the RoboCab. And this is why we're seeing buying pressure after hours, right? It's up 1.6%. and climbing. We had this huge spike all the way up to 250. So, I think that right now everybody's wondering is should you buy Tesla? Well, one, do your own research before you guys invest. But for me, I think that right now Tesla does carry a lot of long-term potential for short-term volatility. What I mean by that is long-term success would mean, the Tesla, everything comes out. We have the Roadster, we have a cheaper Tesla truck, we have the RoboCab, all of that stuff comes out, rolls out. They continue to innovate with artificial intelligence, with software, with data and development. I think that's kind of where Tesla is headed. It's already up now 2% after hours. This thing is cooking up. But nevertheless, Tesla, in my opinion, carries a lot of potential. And obviously, there's going to be rocks and potholes in the road along that way. This could be one of those hurdles that hopefully they overcome. And another thing that I think is important is Tesla, is very volatile. So the best approach for investing, if you're going to invest, is to dollar cost average it. Dollar cost averaging is a great way to get a good average price for your shares, because what you do is instead of just investing a bunch of money up front, you invest consistently over the course of a year. So if let's just say you want to invest $1,000 into Tesla, instead of investing $1,000 right now, maybe you invest $100 a week over the next 10 weeks, or $10. Doing that will help you get a good average price for your shares. It's a little tip. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below, but hopefully this will give us some buying pressure going into, tomorrow, and let that continuation continue. So guys, smash that like button. I'll see you guys. Don't forget to check out our school. I'll see you guys in there, and take care.